Hello everybody, and hi there techpreneurs. Today we are going to have an interesting conversation about accounts and finance. I know it sounds very boring when you say accounts and finance, but let's make it a little more interesting. Why is accounts and finance relevant to your business? Accounting is nothing but a very clear recording of all the transactions that your business gets into, whether it is purchase, whether it is sales, whether it is inventory, any area of operation you take, it has a reflection in accounts. So accounts is nothing but that. Similarly, finance is also extremely relevant to your business, and it's nothing but the actual management of money that comes into your business and money that goes out of your business. That is inflow and outflow. So let's take an example and see how this works really. Like for example, you have a sales transaction. What if you're not recording it anywhere? How will you know that for the month how much sales did I do? From which customer I got the maximum sales? Who has given me the which order has given me the maximum profit? So unless you record every transaction in business at the end of the month or at the end of a certain period, you will not be in a position to understand where actually my business has gone. What has happened to this order that I executed? Unless you see it in financial numbers. So these things are nothing but a reflection of all your business operations in terms of monetization, in terms of a monetary number, in terms of a reflection in financial numbers. And when that you see, it becomes very obvious to you that yes, I thought I made profit in this, but actually I haven't. So it's like kind of a reflecting back on what you actually did in business. When we use these techniques, it becomes very relevant to you that what you thought has been the scenario may or may not be. It may be better than that or it may not be better than that. So let's take a look at how you can analyze your own business using accounting and financial management tools. You have taken an order at a certain price and you have completed that order. Now you want to know whether I made profit in this or whether I have barely covered my costs. I have just barely made a little bit of profit. So if you want to have a comparison of what you thought was a profit versus what you actually made, you need some kind of a recording mechanism, and that's where accounting comes into the picture. So having a good recording mechanism, which is nothing but an ERP system. And an ERP system is not something very fancy that most of the techpreneurs think that no, we have to invest too much of time and effort in getting a software implemented. It's not. There are so many simple, user-friendly softwares. All you need is a reflection of your transactions. You can use any software. Today, with digitalization coming in, there are so many softwares available at dirt cheap rates. So based on your business, based on the complexity, you can always choose a software that suits your business and have all your transactions recorded. That's step one. And then step two, once you have these transactions recorded, you know where money is coming from and where money is going to, like an inflow and an outflow. And that is nothing but financial management. And when we do financial management, we need something which is known as an authentic data of business. Like if you maintain Excel sheets for recording your transactions, there can be errors, there can be mistakes, you may miss an entry. But when there is a proper ERP in place, data is authentic. And authentic data gives you authentic analysis. So when you look at finance after an authentic data is compiled, you need to look at a couple of things very clearly. What is the price that I offered? What is the price that I got in terms of sales? In terms of purchase, what are the kind of vendors and what are the kind of prices they are offering me for the same product? You need to know when I have to pay my vendor vis-a-vis when I'm going to get the collection from my customer. And this gap is what you need to manage when you say financial management. So financial management is nothing, and probably you're doing this on a daily basis. Very unknowingly you're doing this. But doing that in a structured manner is cash flow management or financial management. So analyze your inventory, analyze how much stock you're maintaining, analyze at what price you are getting from different vendors, analyze what pricing you are doing for your customers. So we will be taking you through on a number of things that are related to accounts and finance, which are extremely relevant in your business. And these will give you real insights into your own operations, in your very own business. So this is extremely important. Do you agree with me on this? I think you will. So when you go back today, just make a quick check of how you look at your business in these monetary terms. Accounting and finance is not a back office function. It is not something that your CA needs to do. He is just doing the compliance bit of it. What you need to do as an entrepreneur is you get into a casual approach of accounting and finance and see the fun and see the insights that it's going to give you. So we are going to run a series where we take you through very innovative ways of looking at accounts and finance and get more insights into your business.